Welcome back. In this video we'll be talking about Alopecia Areata and we'll summarize the high-yield notes. It's an autoimmune disorder against the hair follicles, which are underneath the skin. This causes the hair to fall out from its roots and does not cause any lesions outside the skin. And this is highly distinctive. So other than hair loss, there will be no scaling, no erythema, no scars, nothing at all. If we use the dermatoscope, we'll see an exclamation point hairs, which means that the few hairs we will see will be narrow and short. This disease is highly associated with other autoimmune disorders. So if diagnosed, the patient must be screened for other autoimmune disorders like Hashimoto thyroiditis. The disease usually is self-limiting, but some treatments can be used to accelerate this process. We know that it's caused by an autoimmune disorder, so we inhibit the immunity locally by intralesional steroids or topical steroids. Here's a small quiz for you. What's the recurrence rate for alopecia areata in a lesion that has been treated with steroids? More than 50% will reoccur. Alopecia areata is very similar to telogen effluvium. A lot of people confuse them together because of their similarities. Exam makers know this and they question it a lot. Click here to see the telogen effluvium video.